Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Let's draw some nice drawing today. You can see this is a circle. So I have drawn two of the lines here. One is inner lines, another one is the outer lines. I'm going to draw the hut here. So the cottage, it's going to be a single pitched roof cottage here beside the mountains. So let's draw the roof here. Okay. Sometimes because of the perspective you can see the variations in the sizes. Okay, all right, we're going to draw some vertical lines here. Need to put some darker shades because it has to be the clear outlines here. Let's put the darker shades here. And around it I'm going to put another line with the sign pen. Okay, awesome. So this is going to be the bottom line for the house drawing. Few racks you can see for the house, and putting the shades for that portion. And also putting the vertical shades here on the side of the house. Okay, so you can see the racks are in some particular layers. And I'm going to draw the window on the front side and doors on the side. All right, and this is going to be the darker. Okay, let's put the colors on the side of the house to put the shades, make it a darker outline, and the pathway just coming near at us, so which is smaller in a distance and becoming bigger as it comes near at us. Okay, so in some cases you can use the crayons to make it a darker. Appearance changes because of the variations of the shades. You can use the blending stump or the fingertips to put the shadows of the darker outlines for the whole frame here. Now for the trees of the mountains you need to put some poles like this one, longer, so the top is the pointing and the bottom it's just little bit spread out. You can use the green color for the basic drawings of the trees. So many green colors putting here. Okay, and putting the shades on the side all together for the whole frame, just trying to make the tree having uniform colors. So the drawing is going to be looking good. Put few greens at the bottom. Here let's use different types of pencil for the drawing purpose. Few outlines of other smaller trees are going to be seen here. All right, so putting the few tops of the pointy outlines. Okay, now we are going to draw a bigger mountains in this sector. Let's put the outline like this, and other mountains just going. You can see the peak. If you like to put some shadows on the one side, then other side is going to be the highlighted parts. So again, you can blend the color with the whole canvas. Okay, putting the shadow. Nice way. Okay, just you can put few grasses here to define the landscapes. Nice way. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.